Hey guys, this is Anthony over at Woodya. Today I got my buddy Sophia in the shop. I'm going to do a little, I want to show her my new setup here. I want to teach her some little shop safety. Sophia, let me show you something real quick. The blade, this is going to come this way, okay? So if you were going to use this machine, what?
Then you can chop off.
Yeah, you don't want to chop off a finger. I actually almost lost my finger at camp last year. I took a Japanese pull saw and I almost lost my finger. I was lined up, the wood bound, and it jumped. That's why you never put your finger in front of a Japanese pull saw. But here, watch this. So I got this new plane. I want to, basically, it's dirty, it's nasty. But I want to just sharpen the blade real quick. You ready to see it? You want to watch this? So what I'm going to do is, first, I set the machine, turn on the switch, then I got to find my gogs. Always want safety. When I flip this pedal over here, Sophia, this machine's going to turn on. You see? But it's going to go super fast. Watch. Don't.
Oh, no.
Never. Are you kidding me? So, with like a machine like this, you would never want to use, you would never want to put your fingers near it, but more importantly, with your hair and this shirt, right? If you were here and you were doing this, right, there's a good chance this could get stuck and then feed in, right? So you would never wear loose clothing. Also with your hair, do you think if you're leaning over, what would happen with your hair?
Disappear. I'll be bald.
You'll be bald. What do you think? Your face will be in the machine too? So it's scary, right? So little things like that, you always want to make sure you tuck.
If you want to know what would happen, you can search on Amazon to look for a hand. It's really expensive, but it's like a real life hand. And then if you put the hand over there while that's going, we'll see what will actually happen.
Oh, you like a ballistic hand? Oh, maybe we'll get that. Maybe we'll scare the people at home. But let me show real quick. I set this up in the jig real quick. I just want to see if this is going to sharpen. Let's see. Set it right there.
Can I press the thing?
Oh, you want to do the foot pedal? You want to be the foot pedal girl? All right. Here. Hold on. Watch out. You got to be careful with this. So let's get your hair the heck away from this thing. Get you over here. Yeah, it's just not safe. We'll leave you over there. We have to be safe first.
Yeah. It's
going to be sharp. This is smooth. Yeah. So as you use something like this, you can't do that. It's just not enough water in there. Yeah, but as you do this, because this belt is coming so fast at it, the friction from the rocks, because this is just rocks glued to paper, as it's going faster and faster, creates friction. Like if you rub your hands fast.
Yeah, if you rub your hands, it will just turn really hot.
Yeah.
Like you're about to.
Yeah, go on fire. You're about to be. Oh. All right, guys, hit it.
I'm just getting good.
It's starting to come all the way to the end. That's what we want.
I have to have a fire, though.
Oh, you like that? The sparks?
Can I press it?
Yeah, hit it. See how the blade's like moving out? You're getting rid of all the chips now? Yeah. And eventually when the angle of the front of the blade hits the back of the blade, hit it! Oh, you're a sicko. What are you smiling like that? You're sick? Oh, what's going on? What are you kids doing over here? All right, well, that about concludes our video. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Sophia, thanks for stopping by.
Video?
Yeah, say hi. You can come in. You can come in. What are you worried about? Hi. We're actors.